Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to check your Google My Business listing monthly performance report to understand how your Google My Business listing is performing on Google search engine, right? As you can see, I have searched my business name. You can search for your business name or my business keyword on Google using the same Gmail ID from which you have created your Google My Business listing. If you don't know how to create Google My Business listing or how to claim your Google My Business listing already have uh, that is already existing or have been created by somebody else, then kindly check out our YouTube channel. We have mentioned a playlist over there that is of Google My Business listing. Just check out that particular playlist and you will come to know how to create Google My Business listing or how to claim Google My Business listing that is already existing on the internet, right? So I have just searched for my business name on Google search engine using the same Gmail ID from which I have created Google My Business listing. Now here you will get an option of performance. You just need to click on this to measure how your Google My Business listing is performing. Here we can see the data of like previous 6 months, right? It is showing me the data of August to January, and here when we scroll down in the overview, we are uh, seeing that 610 users have interacted with our business profiles, right? And in December, like 144 users have interacted with our business listing, and in November it's 114, 73, 92, 123, and as January it is 64, right? Here we can also scroll down and we can come to know like 7,152 people viewed our business profile, right? And here is a breakdown that how many users have searched on Google mobile and have seen our profile, and how many users have searched on Google desktop, and like what is the breakdown of those particular users, and how many people have seen our listing on Google Maps on mobile and desktop, right? And for which keywords our profile was displayed to them, like whenever they search for digital or digital marketing course or digital marketing or SEO course in Bikana, then how many times our profile has been shown to those users. So automatically this number tells us that actually Google My Business listing plays a vital role in getting business from Google, right? And here we can check for the calls as well. Like we have received 44 enquiries on Google My Business listing call button. 44 users have clicked, and like 43 users have clicked in this month on call button, and 18, 42, 43, and so on, right? And here we can check for chat clicks also, like how many people have clicked on WhatsApp chat button. So adding a WhatsApp chat button also plays a crucial role, because you receive inquiry directly on your WhatsApp, and there you can chat with your customer or probable customer, right? And here you can also check for the directions, that how many people have taken direction to your business. So you come to know that how your Google My Business listing profile is performing, whether it is performing good or bad. Like if you have not done SEO of Google My Business listing, then it would not rank in Google top search results. Then automatically that particular interaction number would be less, right? So you need to know how to rank your Google My Business listing in Google's top search results, so that automatically these number increase, and also the business increase using these numbers, because the number of people, if increase of interaction with your business profile, then automatically you are going to get good sales. And here you can also check the website clicks, like how many people have checked your Google My Business listing, and then how many people have clicked on your website icon and have landed up to your website. So it means that if I tell you I am living in tier 3 city, then many times people thinks that in tier 3 city nobody is going to check the website of a business. So it's a myth, right? People do check websites also, like if somebody lands upon your Google My Business listing, then might be there are chances, if you have added a website link in your Google My Business listing, then people are going to click on that button and will land upon your website and will scroll their particular website and would try to know about your business before visiting your business. So having a website is also good for your digital presence. And if you don't know how to create a website, then we have created a dedicated playlist for how to create a website. So you can just simply visit to our YouTube channel and can check out the website tutorial playlist to learn how to create a website for your business. Apart from that, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.